In today's episode, we delve into the depths of Earl Nightingale's wisdom, unpacking his timeless advice that has resonated with millions. Get ready to discover the secrets of success and personal growth as we explore the profound impact of ideas on our lives. Join us on this enlightening journey and uncover the transformative power of Earl Nightingale's teachings. Have you ever pondered the driving force behind success? What propels some individuals to achieve extraordinary heights while others merely exist? Are you curious about the hidden mechanisms that shape our choices, actions, and ultimately, our destinies? If these questions have ever crossed your mind, then prepare to be captivated by a concept so profound that it has earned the title of the Strangest Secret. But before we unveil this intriguing idea, let's take a moment to pay tribute to its originator, Earl Nightingale. Born in 1906, Nightingale was a broadcasting pioneer who dedicated his life to helping others reach their full potential. Through his numerous books, seminars, and radio shows, he shared his insights on personal development and success, inspiring countless individuals to transform their lives. One particular recording from 1956, titled The Strangest Secret, became a game-changer in the world of personal growth. This talk introduced a concept that has stood the test of time, a simple yet powerful idea that has the potential to change your life forever. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of success and discover the strangest secret that has baffled the minds of many? Sit back, relax, and prepare to embark on a journey that will forever alter the way you approach life. Now let's dive into the core of the matter. The Strangest Secret is a deceptively simple yet profoundly impactful statement. We become what we think about most of the time. At first glance, it may appear to be a cliché or a platitude, but upon closer examination, its true depth and significance become apparent. This statement serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path to success and personal fulfillment. The idea is rooted in the belief that our thoughts hold immense power over our actions, emotions, and ultimately, our reality. According to Nightingale, the thoughts we choose to dwell on shape our mindset, influencing whether we approach life with positivity, creativity, or negativity and despair. He observed that a small percentage of people consciously direct their thoughts towards achieving their goals, while the majority allow their thoughts to wander aimlessly. This lack of direction often leads to a reactive rather than proactive approach to life, causing individuals to merely go through the motions without fully experiencing or enjoying their existence. Imagine your mind as a vast ocean, constantly churning with waves of thoughts. Just as the ocean's tides ebb and flow, our thoughts come and go, shaping the landscape of our consciousness. The Strangest Secret posits that we have the ability to influence the direction of these mental tides, choosing which thoughts to nurture and which to let pass. By consciously focusing on positive, empowering thoughts, we can cultivate a mindset that supports our goals and aspirations. On the other hand, dwelling on negative or limiting beliefs can hinder our progress and prevent us from reaching our full potential. But why does this make sense? Why should we believe that our thoughts hold such power over our lives? The answer lies in the very nature of the human mind. Our thoughts are the architects of our reality, constructing the world we experience. They influence our emotions, shape our perceptions, and dictate our actions. When we focus on positivity, gratitude, and hope, our lives tend to reflect those thoughts. Conversely, when negativity, fear, and self-doubt dominate our minds, our reality often mirrors those emotions. Consider the ancient Chinese proverb, "Watch your habits, they become your character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny." This adage beautifully encapsulates the essence of the Strangest Secret, emphasizing the cumulative effect of our thoughts on our overall being. Our daily habits and actions are shaped by our character, which in turn determines our ultimate destiny. Therefore, by consciously cultivating positive thoughts, we can pave the way for a fulfilling and prosperous life. To put this idea into practice, ask yourself, what do you want more than anything else in your life? Perhaps it's financial abundance, a thriving relationship, or a successful career. Whatever your heart desires, take a moment to envision it clearly. See the details, feel the emotions associated with it, and truly immerse yourself in that reality. Once you have a vivid picture in your mind, it's time to bring it to life. Write it down, break it into smaller goals, and take action. Start with small steps that move you closer to your desired state and celebrate each milestone along the way. Remember, consistency is key. Dedicate time each day to visualize your goals and take inspired action towards them. As you do, you'll begin to see positive changes unfolding before your eyes. However, it's important to acknowledge that life is unpredictable and obstacles may arise. Setbacks and disappointments are inevitable on the journey to success. But here's where the true power of the strangest secret lies. When faced with adversity, remind yourself that your thoughts hold the key to overcoming any challenge. Instead of succumbing to fear or doubt, choose to focus on solutions, possibilities, and opportunities for growth. Visualize yourself navigating through difficult situations with grace and resilience. Trust in your ability to learn and adapt from setbacks, knowing that they are merely temporary and do not define your ultimate success. Furthermore, it's crucial to recognize the importance of controlling your focus. In the midst of life's chaos, it's easy to get caught up in distractions and lose sight of your goals. That's why it's essential to set aside time each day to reconnect with your inner vision. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply taking a quiet moment to reflect, make it a priority to check in with yourself and realign your thoughts with your desired reality. This practice helps you maintain clarity, strengthen your resolve, and stay committed to your aspirations. Cultivating a positive mindset is also essential when applying this secret. It's natural for the mind to wander to negative thoughts or doubts, but it's up to you to acknowledge them without judgment and redirect your focus. Practice self-awareness and observe your thoughts without attaching to them. When negativity arises, consciously shift your attention to positive affirmations and visualizations. Believe in your ability to create the life you desire and trust in the process. Finally, remember that progress takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or compare your journey to others. Celebrate small victories and appreciate the growth you're experiencing along the way. Trust that with consistent effort and unwavering belief in yourself, you can manifest your desires and achieve your dreams. As you continue to apply this secret to your life, be prepared for a remarkable transformation. You'll start to notice positive changes not only in your external circumstances, but also in your inner peace and happiness. Your relationships will deepen, your creativity will flourish, and your confidence will soar. It's essential to embrace these changes with gratitude and use them as fuel to keep moving forward. As you look back on your journey, you'll realize that the strangest secret wasn't just a concept, it was a way of life. It became the compass that guided you through challenges, the motivation that kept you going, and the key that unlocked your true potential. In conclusion, Earl Nightingale's Strangest Secret serves as a powerful reminder of the profound impact our thoughts have on our lives. By understanding and embracing this secret, we can unlock our true potential and create the life we desire. It's a simple yet profound truth that has stood the test of time. Remember, we become what we think about most of the time. Nurture your thoughts, focus on positivity, and take inspired action. With unwavering belief in yourself and the power of your thoughts, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. I encourage you to share your experiences with this secret. How has it impacted your life? What transformations have you witnessed in your own journey? Let your story inspire others and help them discover the transformative power of this timeless wisdom. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. Together, we've explored the depths of Earl Nightingale's wisdom and uncovered the secrets to creating a life of purpose and fulfillment. If you found value in this episode, I invite you to show your support. Hit the like button, share it with friends and family, and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, the strangest secret has the power to change your life. Embrace it, live by it, and watch as your dreams become reality. Until next time, keep thinking positively, keep taking action, and above all, keep believing in the power of your thoughts. Thank you for watching.